Hello, my name is Suzanne and I'm taking the creative writing course at the English Chat. Today I'm going to read for you a backstory of a character that I'm creating in my new book called The Space Escape. In my story there are several different characters, and this character is the orphan. She's been living in the junk land planet for a few years now, and this is her backstory. She's an orphan. Her name is Janice. She's been living in this junk land for a few years now. She found a robot who can protect her and provide her with useful information. She arrived on the planet because her parents took her to space for her birthday. But alien bounty hunters saw them. Then boom, boom! Her parents were shot. Fortunately, she didn't get hit and escaped safely. She found a place to live, which is the Junkland planet. She steals food from the nearby city to survive. So there are a lot of wanted posters out for her arrest, and bounty hunters have been trying to catch her. Currently, she's trying to fix a broken spaceship from the junkyard planet so that she can return back to Earth. Thank you for listening to my character's backstory. I'm looking forward to finishing this book this term. I will see you guys in the English Chat.